Hi, I'm James Baker, founder of James Baker and Associates and international tax expert slash entrepreneur. And this clip you're about to see is from our last Ask Me Anything. If you want to ask me some questions, I come on live Wednesdays and Thursdays as much as I can. You can join with the link in the description below. I'd love to see you there, but let's get to the clip. Are there any solutions to stop withholding taxes on a UK Ltd selling on US Amazon? So I don't know what type of withholding taxes you're dealing with, because it could be these withholding taxes might be sales taxes. They might be royalties, like if you're selling books. But generally, yeah, there's a way to stop. There are solutions to stop withholding taxes on US Amazon. So yes. And because that's a boring answer and it's only been 30 seconds, I'm going to elaborate on some examples. So it really does depend on what kind of taxes you're referring to. Generally, with Amazon's only going to withhold on royalty payments. So if you're selling books on Amazon, then they're going to withhold 30% on that unless you give them a W-8B. And with a treaty position with the UK, it can go down to 10%, I believe, which isn't bad. But the answer is going to be open a US LLC and let's make a proper tax election. And even with a multi-member LLC, you can say it's a US entity and they'll stop withholding taxes. Does that mean you're not subject to any form of US taxes on that? Not necessarily, but it puts you in the driver's seat of how the taxes are withheld and paid, and we can find a way to really mitigate that depending on the scale and the amount of taxes being withheld. So I would recommend you schedule a call with me so that we can go through it in detail and look at the specific taxes, look at the amounts, and I can make recommendations, because it all comes down to, like I said in a prior question, the amounts in question that we're talking about always play an impact, the goals, and then like the facts and circumstances. So what you're trying to do, and what you want to do, and what's currently happening and what applies, that's how we're going to make recommendations on how to move forward with this issue. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and I want to share some things I have to offer you. If you're looking for help expanding to the US or fixing a tax problem, the quickest way to contact us is to schedule a free call in the description below, or visiting jamesbakercpa.com/schedule. If you want to skip the line and speak with me directly, there's also a link in the description to schedule a call with me, which is another great option. I encourage you to join our Telegram and Discord groups, because in there we're announcing when I'm going live, I'm participating, I'm answering questions in real time. It's all free, and it's a quick community to engage with other entrepreneurs and people like yourself who are international and learning about this stuff. And I think it's a really valuable place to be in. At the end of the day, if you just subscribe and see me on the next video, that works too. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.